In the vast expanse of the Southern Ocean, far from the reach of civilization, lie two remarkable islands, Heard Island and McDonald Islands. These remote specks of land, shrouded in mist and mystery, are among the most isolated places on Earth. Despite their remoteness, they harbor a wealth of natural wonders, captivating scientists and adventurers alike. Join us on a journey to discover the untouched beauty and ecological significance of these extraordinary islands. These islands are not for the faint of heart. Battered by fierce winds and icy waters, they present a formidable challenge to any visitor. Yet for those who dare to explore their shores, a world of unparalleled beauty and scientific wonder awaits. From towering volcanoes to teeming colonies of seabirds, Heard Island and McDonald Islands offer a glimpse into a realm shaped by the raw power of nature. Their isolation has made them natural laboratories for studying evolution and climate change, providing valuable insights into the delicate balance of life on our planet. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the unique geography, ecology, and scientific importance of these remarkable islands, revealing the secrets they hold and the vital role they play in our understanding of the natural world. Born from fire and sculpted by ice, Heard Island and McDonald Islands boast a dramatic and ever-changing landscape. Heard Island, the larger of the two, is dominated by the imposing Mawson Peak. This active volcano, reaching a height of 2,745 meters, is a testament to the powerful forces that shaped these islands. Its slopes, often cloaked in snow and ice, are a stark reminder of the harsh climate that prevails here. McDonald Islands, a smaller group located to the west, present a similarly rugged and volcanic terrain. Though smaller in scale, they are no less impressive in their raw, untamed beauty. These islands too bear witness to the relentless forces of nature, their jagged cliffs and rocky shores constantly pounded by the Southern Ocean's fury. The islands' volcanic origins are evident in the black sand beaches that ring their shores, a stark contrast to the white of the glaciers and ice caps that cover much of their interior. These glaciers, constantly flowing and carving through the landscape, are a powerful reminder of the dynamic forces that continue to shape these islands. Together, these elements create a landscape of stark beauty and dramatic contrasts, a testament to the raw power of nature and the relentless passage of time. Recognizing the extraordinary ecological value of these remote islands, Australia has taken on the responsibility of their protection. As part of the Australian External Territories, Heard Island and McDonald Islands fall under the stewardship of the Australian Antarctic Division. This responsibility is not taken lightly. The islands are managed as a strict nature reserve, with access carefully regulated to preserve their pristine environment. The Australian government, in collaboration with international bodies, has implemented stringent measures to ensure the islands remain a sanctuary for wildlife and a living laboratory for scientific research. These measures include strict quarantine protocols to prevent the introduction of non-native species, as well as limitations on human activities to minimize any potential impact on the fragile ecosystems. The island's status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site further underscores their global significance. This designation recognizes their outstanding universal value and the importance of their conservation for present and future generations. Through these combined efforts, Australia is committed to safeguarding the untouched beauty and ecological integrity of these remarkable islands, ensuring they remain a beacon of wilderness in an increasingly developed world. Heard Island and McDonald Islands lie within the Furious 50s, a region notorious for its ferocious winds and tempestuous seas. The islands themselves are subject to a harsh subantarctic climate, characterized by low temperatures, persistent precipitation, and little sunshine. Temperatures rarely rise above 10 degrees Celsius even during the austral summer, while winter brings snow, ice, and freezing conditions. The island's extreme climate plays a crucial role in shaping the types of life that can survive there. The flora is limited to hardy species that can withstand the cold, wind, and salt spray. Mosses, lichens, and a few species of grasses cling tenaciously to the rocky ground, forming a patchwork of green and brown against the black volcanic soil. Despite the challenges, life persists, demonstrating remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. These islands, though seemingly inhospitable, teem with a unique and fascinating array of life, as we shall discover in the next section. Section 5. A haven for wildlife in a sea of isolation. Despite the harsh conditions, Heard Island and McDonald Islands are far from barren. In fact, they teem with an abundance of life, particularly marine life and seabirds drawn to the rich feeding grounds of the Southern Ocean. The island's shores provide vital breeding grounds for a remarkable diversity of species, their rocky beaches and cliffs transformed into bustling rookeries during the breeding season. King penguins, with their distinctive orange markings, are perhaps the most iconic inhabitants of these islands. Vast colonies of these majestic birds congregate on the islands, their calls echoing across the windswept landscape. Southern elephant seals, among the largest seals on Earth, also breed on the island's beaches. Their massive forms are testament to the abundance of food available in the surrounding waters. The skies above the islands are no less impressive. Giant petrels, their wingspans exceeding 2 meters, soar effortlessly on the strong winds, while albatrosses, masters of long-distance flight, circle overhead, their haunting cries adding to the island's ethereal atmosphere. These islands, seemingly isolated and desolate, are in fact teeming with life, a testament to nature's ability to thrive even in the most challenging environments. Section 6. Sentinels of Change, Scientific Endeavors. Heard Island and McDonald Islands are more than just a sanctuary for wildlife. They are also invaluable natural laboratories for scientific research. Their remoteness and pristine environment make them ideal for studying a wide range of phenomena, from climate change to marine ecosystems and volcanic activity. Scientists from around the world brave the challenging conditions to conduct research on the islands, their work providing crucial insights into the workings of our planet. One of the key areas of research is climate change. The island's location in the Southern Ocean, a region particularly sensitive to climate fluctuations, makes them ideal for monitoring changes in ocean currents, temperatures, and sea levels. The data collected here contributes to global efforts to understand and predict the impacts of climate change on a global scale. Furthermore, the island's unique and relatively untouched ecosystems provide invaluable opportunities to study ecological processes and the impacts of human activities on the environment. Section 7. Treading lightly. Human presence and research. Given the fragile nature of the island's ecosystems, human presence is carefully managed to minimize any potential impact. Access to Heard Island and McDonald Islands is strictly controlled, with permits required for any landings or activities. The Australian Antarctic Division maintains a small research station on Heard Island, which serves as a base for scientists and support staff during research expeditions. The station is designed to have minimal environmental impact, with strict protocols in place for waste management, energy conservation, and the prevention of pollution. Tourism is extremely limited, with only a handful of expeditions granted permission to visit the islands each year. These expeditions are subject to stringent regulations to ensure their impact on the environment is negligible. By limiting human activity and implementing strict environmental protection measures, Australia is committed to preserving the pristine nature of these islands for future generations. The goal is to ensure that scientific research and limited tourism activities are conducted in a sustainable manner, minimizing the human footprint on this fragile and irreplaceable ecosystem. Section 8. Preserving a pristine legacy for the future. The future of Heard Island and McDonald Islands depends on our continued commitment to their conservation. These islands face a number of threats, including climate change, marine pollution, and the potential introduction of invasive species. Addressing these challenges requires a concerted effort from the global community. Australia plays a leading role in the conservation of the islands, working in collaboration with international organizations and research institutions to monitor and protect their unique ecosystems. Ongoing research is crucial to understanding the impacts of climate change on the islands and developing effective conservation strategies. Public awareness and education are also essential to garner support for the island's protection. By sharing the beauty and ecological significance of Heard Island and McDonald Islands with the world, we can inspire a sense of wonder and responsibility for these remote jewels of the Southern Ocean. Section 9. Echoes of a Changing World. Heard Island and McDonald Islands, though geographically isolated, are intricately connected to the wider world. The research conducted on these islands provides valuable insights into global processes such as climate change, ocean currents, and marine ecosystems. The data collected here helps us understand the interconnectedness of our planet and the far-reaching impacts of human activities. As we face the growing challenges of climate change and biodiversity loss, the importance of protecting pristine environments like Heard Island and McDonald Islands cannot be overstated. These islands serve as a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity for generations to come. Their story is a call to action, urging us to become better stewards of our planet and to protect the wild places that remain. By learning from these remote islands, we can gain a deeper understanding of our planet and work towards a more sustainable future for all.